Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Tinder account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. So Tinder technically doesn't have a password. Your phone number is technically your password. So to change your phone number, you want to click your name, your profile name at the top left. And then you want to scroll down to phone number and click it. And then here you can click update my phone number and you can put in your new phone number and click next. If you're logged out, you can try to access Tinder from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you connected either Google or Facebook to your Tinder account, you can try logging in via those methods as well. You can also log into Tinder via your email address by clicking trouble logging in. And then you want to go ahead and enter in your email address and send the email, and they will send you a link to instantly log into your account. If your phone number was changed, then you will need to go to the next recovery step. If your phone number was changed, you want to head over to Tinder's support page, help.tinder.com. It's on your screen now, and it'll also be in the description as well. And under what can we help you with, you want to select account trouble with account login, and then it will ask for a CAPTCHA. And under what's going on, you want to select other issue with login. And then here you can fill out this form, so you can fill out your email address, the phone number that was associated with your Tinder account. And then under description, you can use the format that I have in the description and tweak it to your situation. And then you can also attach any files that you may want to attach and click submit and wait for a response from Tinder support. Here are some tips on securing your Tinder account. Verify that the phone number on the account belongs to you. Enable 2FA, go to settings and sign out of everywhere, and revoke any suspicious third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.